Hello, my loves. I just want to give a very special shout out to all of y'all that have posted me. I really appreciate the support. Hello, besties, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time. Okay, so a lot has changed since the last time. Obviously, you saw me recording. I am back home. And today, as you can see by the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I do this slick down ponytail. But I am going to have some help from my mom because what I want to achieve, like I've attempted to do it before, and it just didn't come out like right. So we're going to try it again. I hope you guys enjoy. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. I promise y'all, you'll love it. Okay, so my hair is already washed. I put in my leave-in conditioner and my oil. But I am gonna go through like section by section and just like add water to my hair to make it a little like easier to work with. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet my hair, and I finally got one of those bottles that all the hair gurus have. And this is not my first time using it, but I'm still amused every time that it does exactly what y'all said it was gonna do. Like the continuous mist, it be misting. So I am just going to take this section of my hair, starting at the ends. I'm going. And just to let y'all know, just to loosen up the hair a little bit, when I'm adding the water, I am like finger detangling just to rejuvenate the products that are like sitting in my hair, which is the oil and like the leave-in conditioner. And then once I'm done with that section and I feel like it's rejuvenated enough, I'm just gonna put it in like one of these big twists. I'm gonna twist the first two sections so I can get like an accurate deep part, and then we're going to begin gelling down. Now, as much as I hate sections, I would really be the first to tell y'all that the key to a good slick down is really the sections. Like that's really the key. So what I like to do when I'm parting my hair is kind of like hold the part down so I know like how it's going to fall, you know, so something like this. Okay, so what I like to do now is just scrunchie and just put this side piece away right now. And I am going in with the Eco Styler gel to style, just so you know. And I'm going to take the gel, I'm going to start applying it to my hair. So the first thing I do is break this big section into about two sections, and you want to have the section that's underneath on your way to first. I'm picking up this much gel, and I'm literally applying it to the roots, and then pulling it down my strands like this. And as I'm adding the gel to my hair, I'm like smoothing it over like with my hands, and I'm like holding it like this. And if you need more gel, like you want to go in and add it, and you just want to continue that like smoothing motion so that it's getting all the way to the end. Now, since this is the side with the most hair, it's also the side like with the most gel, so if you feel like you need more, like go for more, because again, it is like a slick down look. I also like to take the gel on my hands and go underneath of this edge part, because for this slick down, it's really about the details. Like, you want to make sure that every portion is as slick as possible. Now, you want to go in and you want to do the exact same thing with the top section, and you want to smooth them into each other. I was about to say, now my elbow being ashy, but I'm lying. It is time to brush. My brush looks like this. I don't know if that's helpful for y'all. I don't remember where I got it from. I'm pretty sure I stole it from my mom, so I don't know. And what you want to do is you want to take your spray bottle and you want to wet your brush. Now you take your brush, and again, you're going to just brush over your hair. And you want to brush and then follow up with your So now that all of your sections have individually been slicked down, you want to begin to slick them together. So I am gonna take some more.
Take my hair now with the gel, and I'm starting to smooth it behind my ear. Again, making sure I'm getting my edges, following over with my other hand. And now we're getting it to the back portion. And again, you just want to follow up. Every time you move your hair, you make sure you're front.
Now you're gonna take the side with the most hair, and you're going to do the same process. So now you have the thick part and you have the other section.
And now you have your hair in like a ponytail puff thing that you're just holding onto. But you're not putting a scrunchie on yet. You want to take your hand and you want to just smooth over one more time.
Now, once that's done and you've done everything with your hand, I only have one hand right now since I'm holding it, but again, you're wetting your brush. And this time you want the brush to be a little damp, so not just like, you know, one spray, it's like 2, 3, 4. And you're just going to brush over now. So the same thing that you did with your hands, you're gonna do with the brush, and you're catching every section as you're brushing it. You're gonna go back over with your hand again and slick it over one last time. Now, you're gonna take one of your tight scrunchies, so it should be little to no flexibility, and you're going to wrap the scrunchie around as tight as you would like it. Now for me, because I'm adding the extra braid to it, I am going to make it really tight, and I'm also making it very low. Slick, but it could be slicker. So, I am now going to go in with Edge Booster by Style. I'm taking a good amount, so like this much, and I'm going over the sections again that I feel like are not as slicked down as they could be. Now for me, that's usually by like the part, so I'm going in like this, just with 2 fingers, and then beginning to like smooth it down again with my hand. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this front section here. So now there's no products on my hand. I'm just doing a final like rub over. I'm going to take another scrunchie now, again like the same. I was telling you, little to no stretch, and I'm going in and I'm taking all of the hair that I just slicked down, and I'm making this thing as tight as possible. Any hairs that I missed the first time should be within my grasp.
I know this one section of hair really be giving me a hard time, just always. So I'm about to go in with my rat tail comb and just comb over that portion. And I see all the products coming up, and that's just not cute. So again, flipping it down over with my hand. This is what I'm talking about, like, on my hair is the same length. I don't know when this decided to become, I don't know if this is like a bang or whatever, but it's quite embarrassing.
This is really an arm workout. Back to what I was saying, taking the scrunchie, again, getting any of the flyaway hair, my wide tooth comb, and I am going to lightly comb through 3 sections. Not me sitting here about to say 4. Okay, 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go in, and now I'm gonna pull it to the front. So now that the plait is in, I am gonna just spray my hair one more time with the water, and then I'm gonna tie it down. Ends up like blow drying my hair for about 5 minutes just to kind of get like the mold semi-dry, and as you see here, like I'm left with like these flyaways or whatever because I forgot I didn't do my edges. So going back in with my Style Factor Edge Booster, and I am going to do my edges. Go back in with the blow dry. So we did a quick little change of scenery. I'm in my mom's room now, about to bother her for her to braid my hair.
Okay. Trying to do like the length. This is where my hair stops. I feel like this is already like that length, so it needs to be a little longer. But I think I have the blondes. Now I'm gonna go for a classic black look. I don't want to do too much. This is a little. Maybe. This still not giving me like butt length, but anyway. Okay, so I need more. That's shorter than that. Let me see this right here. possible. I don't know. This hair's just all like jumbled up. Patience tonight.
Okay, besties. So my mom is getting ready to braid the braid in my hair, and as you can see, she's mad hasty. She's not even let me explain to y'all what she's doing. Like, dag. I wanted her to show y'all what she was doing, but I hope y'all can see. I get the point. Mom, you want to explain to them what you're doing?
Not at all.
Not at all. So right now, she's taking out my hair, and I guess she's placing them in the braid. So that didn't work out. So what we're gonna do now is, okay, as y'all can see,
Hold it.
how am I holding it?
Hold.
Like this?
Here.
Hold where you're holding. Mom, you know I'm mad slow.
Put your finger over here. Just one finger. Put your pointer finger and grab it.
Okay.
I just can't.
Like, it's not this funny, but I'm weak because I just
can't.
no, I can't, because I'm like, what are you saying to me? Anyways, what am I saying? So it didn't work out. So she is now braiding the braid on my finger, as y'all can see. Can y'all see that? Not really. These are just my fingers, but y'all get the point. Interesting. This one look like it's gonna be a braid boy in here working hard. Big time braider. My mom only does these things for me because she can't stand it. She can't stand to hear me say 6,000 times that I couldn't get it. Oh, man. Not her shaking her head. Jonathan is empty.
This is a full pot of rice, like your fellowship.
I'm literally turning red. Yo. Jonathan is so abusive. Oh my god.
Like, I'm sick of you. Nobody's eating a plate of food.
Not nobody's eating a plate of food. This is what you're growing. This is your seed.
That's why the way Mom looked at you.
She looked at me like,
Yo, lick my dick toe. Put that on YouTube.
Jonathan is really the worst though. Like the worst. He's in the back. Yo, my head is hurting. No, seriously. Mom, you know only you could have done it to make it even at the ends. This is really like the mother's specialty. He's just looking like you're ready to just F some stuff up. That's what it looks like. That's fine. You can do the little snip snip once it's in my head.
No, you can do the little snip snips once it's in your head. Madness is that.
Not madness.
Madness.
Y'all see this braid? Braids by D.
I can
Why
figure
am I
out.
turning it off? You can't see
See what?
the braids. If I'm talking, it's
Now this hair is big. I'm gonna have to figure out if I'm gonna have to put it on or roll it on or put a pin on it and then roll it on your hair.
I think that makes sense. That's fine. The YouTube people can understand. Let's go. Not you acting. Dagma, I need some content. Jesus Christ. It's okay. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm not gonna say nothing more. So as y'all can see, the braid is giving everything it was supposed to give. and then some. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in. And once again, I just want to let y'all know that I missed y'all. We will be coming with back-to-back content. We're back now. Wessie Wednesdays as per usual. If you guys are interested in being shouted out in my next video, don't forget to take a picture or video of you watching one of my videos. Tag me on IG, JAAYY.EE. And if it happens to be on a Wednesday, don't forget to hashtag Wessie Wednesday. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!